Okay, guys, my first intro for this stuff was boring. I'm redoing it. This stuff is a secret weapon. If you've got an old mower or an old ATV that's been sitting out in the sun, this is your secret weapon. I'll show you what it is and how to use it coming up. So when you have these old mowers like I do, my 20-year-old Honda, and it starts to fade a little bit, whether it's an ATV or a side-by-side and it's got a little plastic on it that's faded, what I'm about to show you will rejuvenate that plastic. And it's kind of a surprising combination of ingredients. Okay, so these are the two ingredients I'm talking about. You're going to take your paint thinner. You're going to get some boiled linseed oil. Both of these are at any box store. And here's how you want to separate it. So you're going to do paint thinner, boiled linseed oil. And this, my friends, with a little bit of sweat equity, is your new Shiner Upper Rejuvenator for your plastics on your ATV, your mowers, your side-by-sides, anything. I'm telling you, this stuff just works. So with a little bit of agitation, that paint thinner and that linseed oil will mix together, and watch what it does. So keep in mind, my mower, and I keep mentioning, because I'm so impressed with this Honda, it's 20 years old. So keeping it in top shape, always been a little bit meticulous about my equipment. Gonna use the clean side. You ready? Look at that. This will rejuvenate even faded plastics. Like if you've got a mower that's been sitting out in the sun, especially this red, as you know, that red, the sun just bakes it. I guarantee it'll look brand new when this stuff sets in, and it won't rinse off. So there it is on the red. Check that out. It looks brand new. Thank you very much. Now let's check it on this deck. You can also just spray directly on it. But you got to remember there's oil in it. So it kind of does get everywhere. And look how it just rejuvenates and brings the color out of everything that it touches. So awesome. I learned this years ago from another YouTube guy, but I cannot find that video to save my life, so I figured I would make a new one and maybe introduce it to some new people. I mean, the stuff just works brilliantly. And I'm not going to be able to rotate it around because my truck is in the way, but you see, it makes everything brand new looking again. Let's try to spray these wheels just for fun. It just makes everything old look new again. It gives it that sheen from the boiled linseed oil. I think it's like lawnmower on roll. It's just nice. So there you go. So that's my tip for you today. Hopefully you'll use it and rejuvenate some of your equipment. Keep the old stuff, keep it running. It'll last you a long time. See you guys. Thanks.